Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Poke Hustle. Today we are going to open up this new Costco bundle, getting you prepared for Black Friday. So in stores, this box costs about 50 bucks. Online, you'll see it for 55. So a little bit of a discount to go to the store. They have a Scarlet and Violet ETB and two different Pokeballs. They had different combinations, so you can go ahead and pick the one you want. They also had the purple Miraidon ETBs, and let's see what we got inside here soon. So for this one, I completed a survey. It actually was not through user interviews. I had previously done a user interviews survey, and the company actually reached out to me on the side to complete an interview / focus group with them, through the straight to the source instead of through an intermediary, which is kind of cool. Hopefully they'll do that again. And now we have this, and I'm very excited to open it. I've really been loving the Scarlet and Violet base set, which I'm sure a lot of you have already gotten through, but I am still having fun. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what we got in here. Honestly, the Pokeballs I'm pretty excited for. I don't have any of these. It's kind of hard to pick. I figured the standard Pokeball would be nice, and then Ultra Ball is good. I almost went with the Great Ball, but Ultra Ball is better, I guess. All right, so again, this is what you get. Just out of curiosity, I think I'm going to start with the Pokeballs just because these are new to me. I think they come with 3 packs. I think that's what it said, but let's open it up and find out. And I think these numbers mean something to some people. So D23, it means nothing to me, but I saw someone else doing it in a video, so I am sharing. I'm hoping that these will go on sale more with Black Friday coming up. 50 bucks is not cheap, so I mean the ETB can be 50 bucks depending where you buy it. Normally, okay, so it looks like we got 3 packs here. This one looks a little banged up. Well, we'll see, I guess, when we open it. So anyway, we got Lost Origin, and Silver Tempest, and Silver Eevee Coin. Nice. Okay. And I'm just going to pull the packs out of both, just for efficiency. Yeah, so like I was saying, hopefully these will go on sale a bit more. I mean, if you could get, if it's 3, 9, what is that? 15 packs for, like, if it got down to like 45 even, I mean, that'd be pretty sweet. $3 a pack. Okay, here we go. Let's see if it's the same. Another Eevee Coin. Kind of wish they mixed that up. Oh well. And we got another Lost Origin, Silver Tempest. Their cards are messed up. Alright, well, I actually have not opened a ton of Lost Origin, so that should be pretty fun. But let's go ahead and we'll just start with the Silver Tempest here. God, I hope these cards aren't jacked up. That would be really annoying. Got a Lightning Energy. Okay. Ooh, a Meowstic. Gym Trainer, Curlia, Beldum, Stunfisk, Bullpix, Snorunt, Fletchling, a Keldeo. Ooh, that's a reverse holo rare. And Melodic, non-holo rare. Okay. And last Silver Tempest. So I wish in my last video with the Bolton boxes, I had opened up the promo cards on camera, because one of the boxes had an extra Wooloo holo rare or promo card. So I got 3 boxes and 4 promos. So that's kind of sweet. All right, we got an Archon, Serena, Dracloak, Misdreavus, a Wailmer. Ooh, that's a sweet Murkrow, actually. I like that. Mulga, Metatite, a Leafy Camo Poncho, Reverse Holo, and wow, okay. That doesn't get much worse than that. Alrighty. Moving on. Let's hope we have some better luck with the Lost Origin packs here. Yeah, like I said, I don't think I've done a lot of Lost Origin. So we will see how it goes. All right, we got a Lady, a Silcoon, Lost Vacuum, a Clefairy. I like that Clefairy art. That's awesome. A Slugma. Ooh, Lickitung. Hello, I love Lickitung. Hisuian Growlithe, an Oddish, a Mirage Gate. I mean, the card actually looks pretty sweet with all the, like picture flowing out. And an Electros. All right. Last night I opened up a Scarlet and Violet pack and I got the Secret Illustration Rare Miriam. So I'm pretty pumped about that today. It seems like I am paying for it so far. Can't have too much of a good thing, right? Ooh, I think I saw a sneak. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon. Ooh, Poliwhirl, nice. Okay, that is a sweet Haunter. Hariyama, Hisuian Growlithe, an Oddish, a Poliwag, all right, a Phalanx, a Bronzor, a Hisuian Basculin Reverse Holo, and ooh, Hisuian Grudra V. That's kind of cool. Nice. All right. Well, I guess we'll call that a hit. And we got 2 more Lost Origins. Slip and Trip, that's an interesting move. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got the Steel. Arezu, Torkoal, Nuzleaf, Leo, Tynamo, Slugma, Seedot, Hisuian Growlithe in every pack, a Reverse Holo Gudra, all right, and that's a rare, so we can match that with our Hisuian Gudra V now, and oh, yuck, okay, wow, I guess it's cards I don't have in the collection, but oof, brutal. All right, and the last Lost Origin pack. So this will complete the packs that came with our Pokeballs. I don't know. I don't know about these Pokeballs. I know it's random, but, well, you like to think it's random. Okay, Carbink. Iscan, Machoke, a Pikachu, Machop Clay, Snover, ooh, Hisuian Zorua, Seal, Mienfoo, Reverse Hollow, and Manectric. Man, brutal, brutal, brutal. Alrighty, now for the ETB fun. So I've already opened the Miraidon. I have a video of that. It's just, I need to clean up my, sorry, I just dropped a whole bunch of cards. I just need to clean up my videos, my old videos, where it all started. Okay, so you guys know what's in an ETB. We got the player book, player guide, and should be 9 packs, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent. And there is a promo card in here. A sweet Miraidon. Gotta love that card. Rampaging Fang, what a move. Okay, I'm just gonna put that here. And, you know, energies, nothing else super revolutionary in there. So we're just gonna put all that to the side for now. Oh. All right. Let's get cracking and hope for the best here. Let's get some hits. Please, no Dondozos. That would be my one request. Okay, and I mean, a lot of people don't do the card trick on this set, but I still like to have the energy up front. Bisharp, Riolu, Go-Goat, Scatterbug, Rocky Helmet, Mabostiff. Oh, there's Miriam. Hello. Professor's Research Reverse Hollow Rare. Nice. Ooh, that Bruxish looks awesome with the Reverse Hollow on it. And King Gambit. That's the other one I don't want. All right. Well, first pack. Here we go. We're gonna keep going. Pack number 2 of Scarlet and Violet. One, two. Oh. Okay, so we got the Steel Energy, a Mashiff, a Spoopa, a Metatite, Energy Search, Judge, Floatzel, Team Star Grunt, Reverse Hollow Energy Switch, a Primeape Reverse Hollow, and a Professor's Research Hollow Rare. I think I might have that one, but I'm not sure. Okay, King Gambit, I got like 3 of those now. My collection is not that big. Okay, we got a Fire Energy, a Shuppet, Sprigatito, Houndour, Drifloon, a Spiritomb, Ultra Ball, a Spathra, a Tarantula, a Kitottle, and Houndstone Hollow. Put that with the King Gambit because I have it. Maybe multiples, maybe even triples, but those are best, so. Alrighty. Okay, we got the Dark Energy, we got a Grimer, a Bruxish, a Cacnea, a Sandile, ooh, Lucario. It's a nice looking Lucario card. A Rock Chestplate, a Cetitan or Ketitan, probably Cetitan, but who knows. Spoopa Reverse Hollow, a Houndoom Reverse Hollow. That is actually pretty sweet artwork. And Revavroom. I think I have that too. Jeez. All right. I'm gonna have to do an accounting of this set and see how close I am to completing it. Gotta think I'm getting, well, besides like, you know, the illustration rares and all that, gotta think I'm getting close. Okay. And we have a Fighting Energy, and a Satotl, a Vavroom, a Magikarp, a Magnemite, an Arven, a Cacturn, a Mesagoza, a Magikarp Reverse Hollow, a Riolu Reverse Hollow, and a Quaquaval. This is like comically rough. Okay, 4 more. I'm not sure I've had any good hits at Costco. I'm not gonna lie. But a few of their products, but oof, this is like absolutely brutal. Okay, Mareep, a Silicobra, a Bisharp, a Riolu, a Flaffy, Youngster, a Blissey, nice looking Blissey, Silicobra Reverse Hollow, ooh, a Chansey, that is a nice Chansey, Reverse Hollow, and a Cloth. I think that might actually be a new one for me, maybe, or maybe not. We'll find out. All right, 3 more. 3 more to rule them all. We got the Psychic, we got a Tarantula, a Pokemon Catcher, a Scatterbug, a Shuppet, a Driftblim, Defiance Band, Tatsugiri, a Tandemaus. It's kind of neat. Ooh, okay, got one. Here we go, a Fido, followed by, oh, okay, we got doubles. Nice. Okay, that hit. That was a good hit. Wow. Okay. Well, that'll do it. I'm gonna put those in protectors real quick. And that Fido is nice. You'll love to get 2 good ones in 1 pack. Oops. Okay. Very nice. So that Fido has a gold star on it. And I'm pretty sure the Scarlet and Violet sets changed some of the rarity symbols. I'm not positive on that. So that's something I'm gonna have to look into. But anyway, so we got Fighting. This is the second to last pack. Goat, a Scatterbug, a Shuppet, a Sprigatito, a Jacques, Florigato, a Zangoose, a Toxel Reverse Hollow, a Fuecoco Reverse Hollow, and a Palmot. Final pack. Dun, dun, dun. Come on, final pack. Let's do one more good pack. Ooh, might be good. I don't know. I might have seen a spoiler, or I might have seen nothing. I don't know. Sprigatito, a Houndour, a Drifloon, Citadel, Nestball, a Pachirisu. I don't think I have this one, so that'd be good. Add to the collection. A Picaniga Basket, Croagunk, Cyclizar Reverse Hollow, rare. Ugh. Oh my god, are you kidding? What? Wow. All right. Well, that is a weird way to end it. Okay. What a... I don't know. I don't want to call it a bummer. I mean, the Fido is pretty sweet, and the Bannock EX is nice, but... And the Goodra V, I mean, that's cool too, but... Wow. That was a lot of packs to not get much. So, I don't know. You can, make your own judgments on the Costco packs, but, at least you saw what's in it. Got to see some cards open. But wow, what unfortunate luck. Well, anyway, so just a reminder, we're still doing the giveaway. One day we will hit 100 likes on a video. I don't know when it is. It could be a year away. It could be 6 months away. It could be tomorrow. But we're still giving this Scarlet and Violet pack away. Whenever we get 100 likes, so you got to keep watching. See what happens. I'm gonna give it away to someone who likes the video and leaves a comment on their favorite Pokemon card. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this Costco video, and please like and subscribe, provide feedback in the comments, and I hope you all have a great rest of the week. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.